In this video I am going to show you how to make stroke here in Photoshop. So let's get started. First open documents, then select tools and expand it. Now select an object, select OK, and select your object, then wait few seconds. Now create a mask, click here, create a mask. Now background remove. Now make a new layer and drop down, then select, pick a color, and color, select a color, then alter, delete, color fill, then select text. Our text ready. Now duplicate it, Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now both layers select and resize it. Now first text layer select and fill 100% to 0%, then FX blending mode. Now stroke open, stroke percentage according to your needs, and color. Now hit OK. Now to text layer select and link, create the link up. Okay, that's it. Now done. So thank you.